Good evening to all. Good evening, guys. A nice day. Kids na sa gitna ng panahon upang ko lang natag-isang kitarat na sa hanaman ka nakilala sa noon pa lang ng puso ay malaya pang magmahal bukas na. Good evening, everyone. Hi. Seven in my arms again. This time I love you much better. This time I met. Masakit ako. This time. Hyacinth Calix. Hyacinth Calix Toreno. Welcome, boys and girls, to the social get your tickets to the line long in front of your place. Don't feed the animals, the zookeeper will escort you out, and the show begins. Rawr! Thank you, St. Calix Torena. Amir Loganathan. Hi, Loganathan. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you. Ilang taon ka na po, ma'am? 40. Where from? Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Omer, 1, 2, 3, 4 million. Marcus, Rod, welcome back. English Jeff from team. Can you GF Bagat means if how old I am. I said I'm 40 years old. Ano po? Bicol. Taga Bicol po ako. JF Bagat. JF Bagat said if I'm where I came from. Ang hirap paging. You remember me? Yes, I remember you, Marcus. Thank you, Marcus. Welcome back again. What are you doing? I'm doing live. Single man po. Hindi na po single. Chicken na. Hi guys, tambay lang while break time sa work. Sige lang. Salamat Inson sa patambay. Thank you so much. Salamat sa patamsat. Thank you so much. Salamat. At naman in my GF, she is taken. Yes. Taken. Thank you po. GF. Say Persian. Say Persian. Hi, Char. From team. Thank you for the thumbs up. 7 thumbs up, guy. Thank you so much. Are you Arabic? I don't understand Arabic, Amir. Hello, good evening po. Hi, Alex Resurrection. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Hi, Alex. Amir, can you speak English only? Or Tagalog? Dan thumbs up. Thank you, Sir Alex. Resurrection for the thumbs up. I'm from Persian. Where is Persian? Where? Where? Where place the Persian? What country? Iran. Ah, okay, from Iran. Iran. Very far. Hi, team. Just working again. Hard working. Hardworking talaga si San. Ano ay Saturday. Morning pala dyan. No? GF Bagat, hanap mo nga ako dyan, ma'am. Kung may available pa po dyan, wala akong kilalang available. Wala. You working, girl? Yes, need to work. Nakakahiyang tumambay sa panahon ngayon. Amir, ma 1, 2, 3, 4 million. Why? How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. 40. Not that kind, Jason. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Sige! Cut! Cut! If ever you're in my come to Iran. Up. No thanks. Thank you so much. No thanks, Amir. Thanks for... Nagrehe. Nagrehe. Nagrehe si Gabay. This time I'll hold you forever. Okay. Cut! 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 Shut! Nakatingon. What? Gabi. Gab. She said she is taking stop. Come. Okay, thank you for the 10 thumbs up, guys, and 8 people here. What's wrong with Gab? Gab doing pee at the bed. Pee pee. Okay. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Soren. Hi, Soren. Ayan. Hello. Thank you for 11 thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Daming pusa. Da, 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 da. This time I love you much better. Much. What a much. Love you. I am from Romania, Soren. Welcome back again, Soren from Romania. Thank you so much. Don P. Ladnavas. Ma'am, dami ng simi. No. Ang hirap. Someday. Sorry guys. Just an organic people here. Not toxic. What to say? He said bad. Thank you for the 12 people. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. I don't know him. What's going on there? Watching TV, my parents watching TV, my father, and me, I'm doing live here on YouTube. That's all. How about you, Amir? Thank you for the 13 likes. Thank you, guys. And 9 people here. Thank you so much sa patambay. Thank you, thank you. Always on my mind. Liberty Vloggers. Hi, Liberty Vloggers. Where are you from? Taga saan ka po? Salamat. Taga Cebu ay, diba? Welcome po. Shout out sa taga Cebu. Salamat po sa pag-join. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. For vegan first pump the like. Have a good show evening day. Thank you, sir. You get viewing. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Much appreciated. But thank you, sir. Thank you, guys. Come to our house. No, not possible. Taga saan ka, host? Ako taga Bicol. Bicolana. From Bicol. Thank you for 15 thumbs up. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I'm about to crash. It's late here. Down, under. What means? I'm about to crash. Two success. Thank you, Manang MG. Thank you so much. Manang MG, thank you. Salamat sa patusok. Salamat. Bonjour, tout va bien? Bonjour, tout va bien? Michelle Tian. Hi, Michelle Tian. Namumuot ako sa imo. Talaga. Paano nangyari yun? Because she didn't like you, Amir. Sir Lev's Celebrity Vloggers, shout out. Shout out from Manang MT. Hi po, ate. I'm back po. Hi, Maxine. Welcome back, Maxine. Thank you so much for joining. Salamat ulit sa pagpunta, Maxine. Liberty English, please. We live upside down in New Zealand. That's why. Okay. Wow, New Zealand. Have a nice day there. Liberty, Manang MJ. I love you too. From Ogal Kisar. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. 8 people here. Are you married? Not yet married. But I'm getting married soon. I'm getting married. Mahigpit ang ano ko. May manager ako dito. I have a manager here. Thumbs up din, maganda, Cheryl. Thank you, Greg. Welcome back, Greg. Thank you for joining ulit. Salamat. EC469. Hi, EC. Hello, Miss Cebu. No, I'm not from Cebu. Bicol. Bicolana. I'm from Bicolana. Okera. Nakita among inday giti sa LS mohos. Maluoy ka. What? Ha? Giti? Anong giti? Maluoy ka. Nakita among inday. Ano yan? What? Ano? Hindi ko maintindihan. Manang Indiano po, ibig niyo sabihin. Hi from Edwin Pichan. Hi Edwin Pichan. Hello. Taga saan ka po? Bicol. From Bicol. Salamat. Akala ko Bisaya, akala hindi pala. Hindi. Bicolana. Bicol. Huwag ka maghigpit. Kailangan mo watch out. Oo nga eh. Mahigpit yung ano ko. May ano ako, may manager. Mahigpit yung manager ko. Sabi ko, pahingi jacket. Okay. Okay? Sige. Okay, magbigay na ako. Sige po. Yes, andyan na. Meron na po. Sorry. What is he saying? Team, you naman. Team, you na naman. Sir Levs, lagaan kagayod. Sir Levs. Team is you again. Maxine, you know Tim? Do you know Tim, Maxine? Always here. Okay. Thank you. Mag-jacket ka para marami. I don't know. Oo nga. Giti. Giti. Ano sa anong ko sa Bicol yung giti, yung parang masungit. Yung giti. Ang sungit. Shoutout sa lahat. Good evening. Good evening. Shoutout to all. Team is always fight me here po ate. Bakit? Why? You know Tim? Maxine? Do you know Tim? Hi, Dolsha. Thank you for joining me again. Thank you for coming again, Dolsha. What was the guy talking about when you say? Hi, Tita Marie. Thank you so much. She said I need to, I will explain you later. I don't know what that person. I will explain it later. Hi, Tita. Thank you, Tita, sa pagpunta. Salamat po. Him is what's to outlive the life. Ate, it's team person. Him is what's to outlive your life. Ate, it's team person. Tita, kumusta from Delshad? Team is the head moderator. Yes, the head moderator. Why Tim is always fight you, Maxine? What? Hello, Cheryl. Hi, Tita. Miss you, Dolshad from Tita Marie. Nais kong malaman mo Actually, Greg is head moderator because he was here before me. No. All of you is my moderator. Hi, Tita from Tim. Miss you too, Tita Marie from Dalshad. Hi, Dalshad. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Boyfriend. Jazz. Hello, Pogi Tim. Hi, Marie. Hi, May. Tita Marie, I was just at Maris. Maris another friend. Dosha speaks Pinoy languages. Oh wow, she's a Dosha is a language translator. Hi, Liberty Vloggers. Hello, thank you, Liberty Vloggers. Timid means handsome. Timid means handsome. Yes, Pogi. Pogi means handsome. Handsome Tim. Thank you for the 11 people here. Thank you for the kind thumbs up. Thank you so okay, thank you. The handsome Tim. My handsome Tim. If ever you're in my arms again this time. Okay. Masakit siya. Out na ako, Insan. Back to work. Have a good night and bye everyone. Bye, Insan. Thank you sa pag-join. Salamat. God bless. Thank you so much. Delshad, I haven't been on Mars Alice for a while. The time is too early for me. Thanks for supporting me. Thank you guys. Thank you so much guys for this. Bye Char from Team. Ingat ka, just Charity from Tita Marie. How are you? Giano Rajbar. Salam. Rahed Agayev. Salam, salam. 21 comes like, hi, Jerry, my love. Hello. Hello, my love. From Jerry. Welcome back, Jerry. What happening to you? What's wrong? Jerry is back. Oh my God. Tita. Thank you, team. Thank you, Tita Marie. Thank you, Insan. Bye for now. Thank you, Insan. Salamat pagpunta sa pag-join. Thank you so much sa patambay. God bless. I'm doing good now. Where are you from, Jerry? You dating? Your wife? Dating your Good evening, Doc. Hi, Doc. Good evening. Maybe Jerry been packing to move to Philippines next month. He will meet his girlfriend here. I think he have a girlfriend from Bisaya. Cebu. From Cebu, I think. Cebu like that. Sever your arms again. Okay. He said he was moving there in 2 months. No, he said he broke up. Why? Why broke up with her? What's happened? I am in Chongqing. Nice to meet you, Gianna Rajpal. Why break up? Broke up. Too early. I was going to book my ticket, but I couldn't remember where Cheryl lives. Ah. Yeah, sorry, you don't remember, Jerry? I always say that always. He said he didn't like her attitude. I think he said that. Ah, okay. His her girlfriend, Filipina girlfriend. Thank you for the 21 thumbs up. Thank you guys. I'm 13 people here. Thank you so much. Tim, yell at me. Yell at you? Yell. Why you say that, Jerry? I yell at everyone. Yell. Yellow. Say yellow. 12:21, 9:21. Thank you guys. I know. I know. At, ayan sila. Nalalagay tayo sa alanganin. Hello, Tita from Jerry. Pag-ibig na kaya ka, kaya sandali. Kay lungkot ng sandali. Hey Jay, hope you're doing well. From Tita Marie. Thank you for 21 thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Hello. Nako. I'm doing good, Tita. Thank you from Jerry. Let's wait at this. Let's do it. Let's do it. Giti. Oh my gulay. Ay punay. Palaboy ah. No, I'm not a Muslim. I'm Christian. Tim, when are you going to Seychelles? Soon. We will meet soon. Ganda mo naman po, Nay. Salamat ng sangdi palaboy. Someday. Monetize ka na po, hindi pa. Kailangan ko ng watch hour. I need watch hour. Panoorin nyo. Kaya manood kayo lagi. Para ma-reach ko yung watch hour. We get married in December. Simpo tayo. Ilan na ang watch hour mo? Ilan ang subscriber mo, Musang di palaboy. Time question. Time question. For real? That's good. Yes, for real. For real. For real. Close the door. Ooh, to feel the penis anymore. Nano?
Nakang pala ako.
Nasa ba niya?
Huli na lang. Hindi mo huli na yan.
Nasulod mo.
Nakakahaw na.
You marrying here in the Philippines?
Sarap.
Yes.
Sa inyo. Ganyan.
Sorry,
Kailangan ko din.
you're late. Go na. So if you're really moving there, we may invite you.
Yung isa zip. 10-15.
Nag-ano nga.
Sila tayo para sila magsamaan.
Nagpapalayas nga ni siya.
Pam-pam-pam-pam-pam-pam-pam.
Kaya nga niya. Ano ulam natin na gulay?
Ano yan? May nakasuprak pa na sa luto.
May ano doon na, may isda, paksiw.
Nakakaw na ako ba yun? Hali na lang ang bintaan. Cup noodles.
Why you crying, Chinese TV? Can't, I can read Chinese word, TV. Why you crying? Kasiliyat Kubi. What? Kasiliyat. Who is that your sister? No, she's my cousin.
Yeah.
Who is the bridesmaid? My friend.
Hello. Good evening, everyone.
Manang MG. Hi, Manang MG. Kobe Lasso.
Good evening,
What
everyone.
means?
This
We
is a
are
sitaw.
working out details.
Waiting sitaw.
Hmm.
Kalit isuruda. Mangalit ulam.
For long, for the
Ay, ano, masarap din, masarap ulam.
You can, I will invite you, Jerry.
At ang diri ko masulat niya, sa aga ini, hinahanap ko sa Thank you. Thank you for the dinner.
Food for dinner.
Thank you for the dinner. Tulit.
Thank you for thank you for the for dinner tonight.
Tonight. Not today. Tonight. Tonight, good night.
Tonight is the night. Good night.
Tonight is the night, good night.
Good night, everyone. Who is the bridesmaid?
Bridesmaid. Who is the bridesmaid?
Kasi kakasal na daw kami sa December. Sunod daw ano daw.
Madali na. Para yan. Kasalan ko lang.
Nakasal na.
Bago pa dis ini, nag-aasay ka na.
I-rep mo. Tapos inita mo sa aga.
Sarado na siya may kisti.
Di man yung mapan solo. Kaya diri ko man tinakluban ko.
Ya, ay para kamot ko nga.
Ayun. Di man sa bisibuya sa mga tampo. Maybe he might stand up. Then, when they ask if anyone here should not want this to be married, if not for them to hold their peace. To hold their peace. I'll just focus on the bridesmaid. Ayun, focus on the bridesmaid. You want to meet Jerry the bridesmaid? Okay. Ruby. You want to meet Ruby, Jerry?
Ruby, who's Ruby?
Kaano ka? Kabadge ka. Marhay na manggitabi, amoy paksew.
Ya, amoy paksiw talaga ngayong gabi.
From
Ba
amoy,
yan?
ano ba yun? From amoy paksin, marhay na gabi, taga din daw ini. Ari, taga din bilang yata. Who's that behind you? My cousin.
Yeah.
Alan, she's my cousin. Is she beautiful too? Of course, she's so beautiful.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
She's so beautiful than me.
Wow! Sarap!
What is amoy? Amoy smell. The smell is amoy. Amoy paksiw. Bulusanon po. Ah, okay. Bulusanon. Where's the bulusan? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Naglutang. Dodong Gaming. Good evening.
Ano ba yun? Yan, inakit mo.
Si Ruby.
Yeah.
She's same here in my place, but another barangay. Beauty and Beyond. Hi, Beauty and Beyond. She's married.
Soon.
Yes, she's married, my cousin.
Soon.
Jerry means Ruby. Yes. Ruby's single mother now.
Yes.
Where's Ruby? Ruby, she's home. They're home. Ang gaganda nyo naman.
Talaga ba? Nag-joke ka ba?
Dodong, ang ganda. Palabiro ka, Dodong.
Palabiro ka Huwag kang ganyan, dong.
Dodong, palabiro ka talaga. Sarap mong kaibigan.
Ang gaganda niya, Ang ano to si Dodo. Animational ka ba?
Ay, hindi.
Wala.
Aray ko. Nakatinaman.
Animational hindi.
Hindi ako. Ang ganda nyo naman. Hindi na ako makabudol
Don't
sa...
are you laughing? Nothing, te.
Ay,
Ula-ula man din si Dudong ng kalukuhan man niya.
Ano ba yung dudong?
Ula-ula ka man sa kalukuhan mo, Dong. Ambot sa imo, Dong.
Hindi ako makapaniwala dudong sa sinasabi.
Sabi ka ba talaga totoo? Single soon.
Ay, nadudong. Sa lahat ng comment, napatawa ko sinabi mo.
Allen single soon.
Ang
Yes.
gaganda nyo naman. Parang pinapawisan agad. Pinagpawisan ako ng malagkit doon na. Sana wag mong bawiin, Dodong.
Loko-loko talaga to, Dodong, oh.
Ano ko? Is she in Bicol? Yes. Who's single mom? Ruby's single mom.
Hindi, bulusan.
No. Manggalit siya ba? She in Bicol, yes. Seryoso po.
Seryoso? Seryoso ka talaga ba? Nang-aasar ka ba? Asar Dudong, oh.
Seryoso pa sinabi ni Dudong. baka, anong na...
Ay, gutom ka lang, Dong. Maang ka na lang.
Anong nakain mo, Dudo? Parang, anong natungga mo, Dong?
Siguro tunggak ka
You're
kang duay,
eating
Dong, no?
Bicol. Yes. Ruby's Bicol. What are you laughing for? We're laughing about Dodong said.
Yeah.
Dodong said, we are beautiful.
We are beautiful. Oh my God.
Unbelievable, Dodong. Okay. Is your cousin a single mom? No, she's not a single mom.
Single mom soon.
Seryoso po, gaganda niyo talaga.
Hindi ako makabubong ka, Dudong.
Dodong,
share ko
show
na.
English. Dodong said,
Hi.
we're beautiful. She said, we are really beautiful.
Oh, Dudong is,
Dodong joking.
joking.
He said, we are beautiful, looking beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Dodong. What is
Dudong,
so-
magsabi ka ng katotohanan, Dudong.
Yes.
Huwag kang ganyan, na.
It's so funny. Saying, we're beautiful. Oh my God, look at our face. Oh my goodness. Tawa ng tawa. Sige ka. Baka mamaya, utot ka ng utot.
Wala, hindi ako nag-aasar.
Lo, hindi ako nangaasar. Totoo ba?
Hindi, wow. I can't understand your subject.
I can understand your dialect.
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 Ay, Dodong, sige na, Dong. Pagbigyan ka na namo. Okay na.
Okay na, Dodong. Tatanggapin namin yung sinabi mo maganda kami.
Ng bongbong puso namin, kahit hindi totoo.
Tatanggapin namin. Seryosohin namin sinabi mo na maganda talaga kami.
Yun.
Pwede kitang ligawan. Oh! Naliligaw ka.
Ay. Sala.
Naliligaw ka. Is she your single sister? No? She's my cousin, Tita Marie.
Yeah, hello, tita.
Tita Marie is
English yun. Naburungan na sa team mo.
English Cheryl. Dodong said,
Ang beautiful team.
we're beautiful. She said, she's telling the truth.
Seryoso ko na yun.
Seryoso.
Nangatalubot ko sa imo, Dodo.
Nailigawan ko na anak nyo.
Adik na to. What are you saying? Ewan ko sa'yo, Tim. Naguguluhan din ako sa'yo. I don't know you, Tim.
Aray ko, ano man sinasabi nyo? Umayos ka, Angelo. I know, but what are you saying? I said, okay, I accept your, I said to Dodong, okay, we accept your, saying that you are beautiful. We're joking because we know myself, I'm not beautiful.
Me too.
We're not. Team, you should learn some Tagalog before moving there. Need to basic learn. Just need to learn basic Tagalog.
Makamahal ka man wagas.
I'm not moving there. She is coming here. Okay.
Nanunus plat na ako, ha? Nanunus plat na ako.
Mahal ko na anak niya.
Nakainom siguro ni Tandua.
Ang sali. Kasi in English.
My nose is bleeding.
Ula-ula si Dudong.
Oh, Dudong, ula-ula ka man good, Dong.
Nosebleed si pinsan.
Nosebleed na ako. My nose is flat. Oh my God. Kaya lang, Tem. Mag-aaral pa ako.
I put in time out your cousin. I would do that. Utang na loob.
Tanan ko na yung anak nyo.
Nay. Tanan ko na anak niyo. Oh my goodness. Hello, baby. Where's your daddy?
Na Tagalog at dialect.
Okay lang po yan. At least, ilong lang.
Nangasar ka ba? Oy, Dodong, wag kang ano, Ano ba Facebook mo? Atihan mo kita.
Ibaban kita.
Ibaban kita. You're from? From Philippines.
Philippines. We're
Philippines.
Philippine. Philippine.
Philippine Pine. Naburo nga na sa English.
Dong English.
Tim Dong, Nanunus bleeding na rin sa'yo si Tim.
Dong. English team dong.
Oh my God, Dodong.
Oh my goodness. We're from Philippine.
Pilipine.
Philippine.
Diba? Nanunoko di amore sila.
Pilititi.
Pilitite. Pilitite.
Ala.
Para dilit talaga.
Ala, didilit na niya sila.
Oo, si
Si Dodong.
Niri man, iba man.
Ano talaga? Inuragan.
Dito na saro. Si Paul, yun.
Ay, hindi. Wala si tita.
Pilitite.
Like number 12, 27. Hi, Big Long. Thank you. Welcome back again. Band na lang. Magano di dyan, ano ko? Double tap your screen, like, subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Beglon. Salamat.
Nakatarog na ako.
Boke.
Buke. What do you mean, buke?
Ang ganda ng asawa ko. Oh, ay talaga welcome. Wow, sana all. Ang ganda ng asawa. Ate saan siguro yung asawa mo, no? Pero seryoso, ayun nga, pag mo na yung pagdikdikan niyan, Dudong. Pero seryoso ako. Kayo na, huwag kayo tumawa.
Natatawa kami.
Nay, tulog ka. Nizuko is Niz. Hi, Snuko. Angelo English. Ikaw yung asawa. Ayokong asawa. Angelo.
Ay, nako. Inaantok ako sa'yo, Dodong. Nakakaantok, Dodong, ha?
Ano yan?
You want fish? Backstreet?
Ola-ola. Pasado na ako, Nay. Bakit kayo? Nag-exam ka na ba? I mean, dyan. Hi.
Nakapasak mo sa'yo.
Maya ka na matulog, maaga pa po masyado. Anong oras na ba? Mangkukulam. Sabi, ang pangalan mo Mangkukulam.
Mamaya ka na matulog. Aga pa po. Masyado. I'm so
Dong.
tired, Dodong. Ano ba? Malayo pa ang aking pinagmulan.
Nay, tulog ka na. Dong, I said English, dong. Oh, dong.
Makanay ka naman sa akin. Sa amin.
Sino?
Sino ba talaga nanay tinatawag? Guguluhan kami sa iyo, ah.
Pares kaming nanay.
Pares kami nanay.
Pares
Sino ba
kaming
sa amin?
tita. Lula na nga kami.
Oo nga. Kami na namin apo.
Saya.
Ayun. Parang ilong.
What?
What? Wow.
Wow, English, dong.
English na naman tayo. Ay, wag kang
Dong,
dulong English
dong.
dahil nanunos flat
Nag-English
ako,
si
ha.
Dodong. Palakpakan, dong.
Dudong, nanunos
English.
flat ako. Tagalog lang.
Congratulations, Dodong, English. More, Dodong, more. Mayo yung talaga real ngaran ko. Oh, okay. Be proud.
Nag-uusap pa kami ng
Anak niyo.
anak niyo. Ano ko sa'yo?
Ano ba sa'yo mo man? Angelo man? Ano namang atongga mat may naman na
Nag-impilate ka siguro.
napulot ko lang yun sa basura ng English ko. Puta, kagaling naman natin napulot. Akala ko iningatan mo yun.
Oo, pinulot mo lang pala. Ayan.
Pinulot mo lang pala.
Paras lang pala tayo namulot sa basura.
Hello, Mr. Leon. Hello. Ned's Mix Vlog. Hi, Nax Mix Vlog. Thank you for the 29 thumbs up. If ever you're in my think nod.
Paong ka na lang doon, oh. Paksew.
Ilan na po like you sa amin ng anak mo? Ano?
Burong ito sila.
Borong Angelo. I don't understand. Angelo. John Baker, you are so pretty. John Baker? Ay, isa pa to.
Kaya ko, ayan. Ito dong, oh.
Pingi ako. Wala nang English, Dodong. English. No more English na.
Ganun ba?
Bye, Dong. I warned you. Oh, ayan na. May warning na si ano ko.
Galing mo si Dodong.
Tagadian ka, Dong. Where are you from, Dong? May warning ka na, Dodong. Mag-English ka na, Dodong. Oh. Ayan na. Dong, inalis ka na. Sabi ko sa'yo, mag-ano ka na eh. Mag-English ka eh. O, isa pa to. Naku, mawawarningan ka, Angelo. Mag-ano ka. Nay, pwede ko sama sa mall yung anak niya. Alin, isasama mo siya o ako? Sino yung nanay? Ako yung nanay, siya ang nanay. Mga lola na kami. Bibili kami.
Ano na, lugaw?
Oh, English, Angelo, English. May bisita ka. May bisita tayo. Ikaw. Sinong ako? Sinong ikaw? Siya o ako? Binurungan ulo. English.
Wala na si Dodong.
Wara na si Dodong. Time out, Dodong na.
Bay pa.
Baguhong. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. English ba?
Sa aga na halala.
Ha? Ano ba? Sinasay mo na.
Oo. Ramon?
Sarama na.
Kumawang sa akin.
Okay, I like that. I told you this is the Sue channel.
So talaga.
Ah,
So talaga, Tim.
so talaga.
Pasukan naman, Tim. Gas.
You like me to see to English? Yes. Wow, Dodong. Ay, Angelo. English, please, Angelo. English. You need to speak English, Angelo. Yes.
Baka maband ka.
Hmm. You have a warning na. Game. Game. Go, Angelo. Speak English. I need you to my life. Beautiful. Hi, Ryan. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye na.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow again. Bye. God bless you. Love you all. Thank you so for supporting. Ano daw? Thank you for supporting me. Thank you so much. I will look for short. Bye. Love all. Thank you, everyone.